In this video, you are going to learn and write subtraction statement through an activity. You all know that subtraction is the process of taking away a number from another. It is denoted by this symbol. I have taken few cards with numbers written on it to learn subtraction. Now, we will count the number of cards that are available here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many cards do you have now? You have 9 cards. So, you have 9 cards. Now, your friend wants cards that have number 50 on it. Now, let's try to identify the card that have number 50 on it. We have number 50 on it. One more card that has 50. So we have only 2 cards that have number 50 on it. Since your friend needs this card, we have removed these 2 cards. How many cards we removed? 2 cards. So 2 cards removed. Since we have removed 2 cards, you need to mention minus sign here. So subtraction means taking away. We have taken away 2 cards. Now we need to calculate how many cards are left with. After removing these 2 cards, now let's count the number of cards that are left here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are left with 7 cards now. Now we are left with 7 cards. Keep practicing. The more you practice, the stronger your math skills will become. Thank you for joining us and embracing the excitement of learning.